Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy and this is Quick Cactus Tips. Tip number 4. Consider, instead of having a separate risk report that you do on a quarterly, semi-annual or annual basis, it doesn't matter, consider, instead of having a separate risk report, taking your information and including it into existing performance reporting that the CFO does, or CEO or CEO does for the board. Consider taking your risk information and including it into existing performance reporting. So you finally, as it was always intended in ISO 31000, you finally do not have a separate risk universe. You have your risk information exactly in the same place where all the performance information is. So the decision makers can see, this is how much we've achieved and this is how much risk we've taken to achieve that. Or this is how much we are planning to achieve. These are our objectives or our targets for the next period. And this is how much risk we're willing to take, or how much risk we will have to take to achieve those objectives. Having risk and performance information in a single performance risk-adjusted or risk-based performance report, you can call it whatever you want. I mean, this is where let your sexy title creativity go wild. Having that information in a single place is an amazing opportunity. So make sure you have a conversation with the CFO or CEO today to integrate all your risk stuff into the existing performance management. Now, why I'm saying that is that what you will realize is that the information you currently have in your risk report probably doesn't fit well with existing performance reporting. And this is where it gets fun, because if you were doing proper risk management, like proper scenario analysis, using proper quantitative risk analysis, your outcomes, your the results of your risk analysis would immediately perfectly fit, like it will be the best possible match for the existing performance report. But if you still have heat maps, then it's probably not going to fit that well. So that will be a wonderful push for you personally as the risk manager to start changing, start upgrading your methodology, start getting rid of some of the flawed methodology that we just happen to be using historically as risk professionals. And if you need help how to upgrade, how to change your methodology, by all means just reach out to Risk Academy, riskacademy1word.blog, and just send me a message and we can have a conversation. I'll have a conversation on LinkedIn. I usually respond pretty quickly to those. So make sure your risk information is integrated with the company existing performance information, because this will be so much more valuable for the decision makers. They don't have to look at these things separately and make the mental connection between the performance and risk. Help the executives make the connection obvious in the report itself. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. Do write underneath this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the Risk Academy channel on YouTube. For me, for now, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.